Hello everyone and welcome to part 3 of Arpeggios. We've been listening to this one quite a bit, our C arpeggio, selected in black, notes going up and down. Remember that we've got double yellow because the C happens again and again. We also have a double teal with higher pitches. Now let's talk about the color wheel. I want to find the other C that's on the color wheel, the lowercase c. We've got an uppercase C here, and where should I find my lowercase c? Right here. Now, before I click on it, look back at the teal lines, and as soon as I click on it, you're going to see them change. They move down, they become a dark pink, and this arpeggio sounds quite a bit different. Let's go back up to uppercase, lowercase. This is just like in the chords exercise. In the chords exercise, we toggled between a major chord and a minor chord. Well, guess what? The note that changed was the one in the middle. After the bottom note, the middle note changed, the next note was there, and then remember, this is a double of the original note. So the middle note changes. We're going to go from C major, that's what this arpeggio is, C major, to C minor. Middle note moves. Uppercase major, lowercase minor. This holds true for every letter in the color wheel. Let's find D major. I said major, so we need which case? Lowercase or uppercase? That's right, uppercase. We have all new colors for all new notes. And if I want D minor now, let's find lowercase d in the color wheel and watch just the middle note change. This is going to happen in every arpeggio pattern in the exercise. We're in D minor for this pattern, move up to D major. Let's try another letter. Let's try E. Click over. Let's click over to this one. We're in E major, let's go to E minor. We could start with minor. Let's start F minor. And click up to F major, and you'll see those notes move up. Click all around the color wheel as much as you want. You can change them mid-pattern. You see that changes as soon as you click it. You can change the speed to make them go really fast. Make all sorts of spooky or wonderful, mysterious sounds, heroic sounds. Really explore the color wheel and the different major and minor arpeggios. I hope everyone has enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next exercise. Have fun with your arpeggios. Bye-bye now.